Hi, I'm Frieda.
And I'm Martha.
Welcome to FM
101.
You know what, Martha? It's been 7 months that we're,
My God, I
locked
didn't even know
down,
it's
yeah.
7 months.
And then soon it'll be Christmas.
Yeah.
Maybe we should share and inspire our friends on what things to do these coming holidays.
Yeah, it would be so exciting because first of all, we have so much time.
Yes, yes.
Not only do we have so much time, we have lots of stuff.
I know. So, like making use of what you have at home.
Yeah.
So
we should.
Yeah. So let's do this just to share
Including our garden.
Yes.
Making use of the
From
plants that we have all around us and
Yeah.
just making good use of what we have.
tablescapes and flower arrangements, how you fix your table, the way you do it so well.
Plus, I wish for every home to really have or be at least a stage for love.
Yes, that's what we'll do.
That's what we'll do. Okay.
Let's go. Wow, Martha, these are so nice. They're all matching and
Yeah.
it's just perfect for...
You know what? That's exactly what we're supposed to do. Well, we have a cause to celebrate, it being the month of October, and most of the parts of the world, they're celebrating autumn, or at least the season of autumn. So we are into colors like these, right?
Yeah. And Halloween is coming and Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Perfect.
So we have orange, we have greens, and even purple. We can use as many colors as we want, but just for today, we're focusing on the color orange.
Okay, perfect.
After carefully thinking through your theme for your garden Merienda Cena, think of comfort and use a garden carpet or a large quilt to lay on your grass. Set the chairs around like a clock. 12 o'clock, 2, 4, 7, 10 for a setting of 6. Don't hesitate to cover and layer the tablecloth just so that you cover the table's feet. Set a tray beside the chair and use other table settings like plants that you have around your house and layer your plate with the charger and the corresponding glass and coasters to your color theme, and even pull out a stem or two from your garden to add to the color and the plants that you have around.
In line with the colors of fall, we have squash and pink ginger soup served from a pitcher to a cup with the garlic breadsticks on the side. Wine paired with the sweet Gewürztraminer and Riesling. Toasted flour chips with truffle pate. Chicken and vegetable samosas served with mango chutney, a tamarind sauce, and this wonderful coriander sauce. Let's not forget the dessert, this glorious coconut mousse topped with toasted coconut.
There you have it, a true garden delight made with love for family and friends.